We born on different continent. We speak the different language. We grow up on the different culture. But our dream is the same. Dream to go fast, dream to build the greatest race car. Your dream, my dream, together we can make this happen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our world. Good morning, Phong. How you doing? What you doing? You got a sale or something? Maybe not. Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Phong channel. Another beautiful day. Today is not as hot as the other day. Yes, I tried to collect all the stuff. It's been laying around. I mean, I have it, but a little bit here, a little bit there. And today I tried to put all them together, see what I already have and what has been missing. I tried to do a K swap all motor into this beautiful EF4dr that I have for a long time. She used to have a B series in it. Maybe people say, why you don't keep that B series? Yeah, I love B series. I start with it, B series is my life. But all motor stuff, it's just move on the K series, how it go. K series great. I love them so much. I love both. I keep all, like, the Honda guy like me, of course I love everything from Honda. So today just another episode. I going to do the K swap for this EF. Yep, gonna be great. Yeah, while waiting on part for Phoenix. Yeah, new piston and ring is coming. Engine blocks already out. That will go to the machine shop so they can clean the deck and rehome the cylinder. And while the engine is out, good chance for me to continue to work on the suspension. Let me get the tape measure and show you. Yeah, the real problem is I measure the low control arm. That's where the link should go, is like 13 inches. But the tie rod link is just right around 10.5 inches. So that is somewhere between 2 and 3 inches different. So that's why that explains that's why when the suspension is moved, the wheel is toe out or toe in. So I need to fix that problem. I'm going to make the tie rod, inner outer tie rod and the inner tie rod, make it longer. So exactly the same 13 inches with the link of the low control arm. So both arms move at the same movement, same link, so they will keep the wheel straight. And that's will solve the problem. And same way with the rear. Yeah, the rear one is have exactly the problem. So I gonna fix those tie rod, whatever you call it, that hold the wheel straight. The rear is not big as a problem like the front, but still need to be fixed. Yeah, first I thought is I gonna change the different rack and pinion, but that's a lot of work. So what I try is I have this paper right here, so I gonna make another thick steel plate come out that far, and we'll get the rod is the tie rod its mouth somewhere is here. That will be bring it up to 13 inches. Yep, I think that's an easy way to make it work. So I'm gonna work on those while I'm waiting on the part. I don't know how long it takes, but well, we have to wait. Meanwhile, I have a lot of stuff here I been collect over the time. Axle, ITP, head block, suspension, transmission, header, ECU, crank, you know. So try to do the swap into this EF. You know, I have this, you guys know that I have this car for a long time. You know, this car means a lot to me. It's original paint, you know, it's nice and clean. First I have is the B series. They make somewhere around 210, 215 to the wheel. And I think early on last year, I show you guys on the video, we tried to mix with nitro and she made like 250. Yeah, it made like 250, 260, somewhere around there. The car is great. I love the B series, but let's do the K swap. And I don't know. I think that's gonna be great. Yeah, K swap EF. Yeah. Yeah, you all know that how much I love for the race car, special with a Honda and the stuff like this. Swap the engine into the old car, tune the car, and don't have fun with it. It's not only a race car. You know, I mean, this is our dream, our life. This is our kind of hobby. It's not only a race car. It's bring people together. It's friendship. It's love. It's life right there. And I heard that people try to stop all this, and it's kind of sad. I don't know how much time do we have, and when it's gonna be put all this stuff to an end. It's kind of sad. I don't want to hear that. I keep doing it until I can't do it no more. Yeah, you all know that I'm from the foreign country. My homeland is way on the other side of the Pacific Ocean. You can drive, you can walk. Only way jump on the plane and wait 16, 17, sometimes 20 hours to get there. You know, I used to be a motorcycle mechanic back home. I love those motorcycle stuff, but during that time it's nothing more than a single cylinder and carburetor, but I'm still love it. And then one day my dad friend have a little Toyota Corolla. It's very old car with the 4-cylinder engine, and he want me to do the oil change on that car. And then look at that car. That's where my dream began. I say I want a car auto mechanic. And then my family have a good chance. We all moved to the US. And then it's such a open world for me. I've been here in 1997. It's a little bit under 25 years. Yeah. I love this country. They allow me to work, they allow me to learn, and they allow me to do the stuff that I want to do. I mean, we have freedom. And then I worked for 25 years. I'm not only work on auto mechanic, I working on a whole bunch of different type of work. Whatever legal, I can make money. I from the landscape business, remodeling, handyman, whatever I can do is try to save up money. And then I can get my own auto mechanic shop. And then I learned when I first came to US, I go in to work for the auto mechanic shop, work at the salvage yard. And then that's where I learned about a car. And I learned some already have, that's old technology. And then I'm self-learning. And then after I went through all the different type of business, I save up with little amount of money, and I go get my own auto mechanic shop, try to fix people's car. And that's what I'm still doing for a living. And then for the last 3-4 years, I met Brent at the PFI, and this is exactly what I want. Let's modify the car, swap the engine, and do the car the way you want it, and then go tune it, and then go have fun with it. I never race my car on the street. I just do it at the track. You guys can see all my car is like track only. It's not even have a headlight or anything. We just use it for track. So I never race on the street. And then thing is great. This is my dream. This is a dream come true. And then you know that I work in more than one car. I have this EF, I have Phoenix, I have the inside I try to work on, because I'm so excited. This is I work what I really want to work, so I continue to work. And then I heard that some people try to stop all this. They don't want a race car no more. They try to stop a high performance shop who is tuned, who modify the car. It's very sad. It's kind of sad. I really don't want it. My dream just about to be go on, and then somebody tried to take it away. For me, race car is not only just a race car, not only a fast car you jump on, you go have fun at the track strip, you go around the circle track, whatever it is, whatever you desire, your style. It's not only the race car. The race car is something that brings us together. Because when I come to the event, I feel it. The car, if only the race car, it's just a car. It's people already know. It's a whole bunch of different type of race cars. But but the car is bring us together. The car is make us love each other more. It's like a big family, and they inspire young people to learn, to be able to make their dream come true, just like me, just like a guy like me. I don't know what happened if all these things go away. It's gonna be boring life. Like I say, if I don't work on the race car, I don't choose the race car as my hobby. What I do for life, it's become boring. It's like very sad. Yeah, the race car is bring us together. They create love. It's like a big family, and they keep us stay together and love each other more. But I heard that some people try to took it away. So they try to took away our dream, our culture, and our freedom. You know, if I can't do car no more, I feel like I lost my freedom. So I gonna live my life like normal life, eat, sleep, and wait a day you sick and you die. No, I don't wanna live that life. I wanna live the life, be able to work on the stuff I love. So I want this continue to go on. You know, and you guys know what's going on. You know, for the past years, and then you already know what's going on for the future if we don't stand up and fight for our dream and fight for our freedom, our life. Yes, you know, I say it because I have the bad feeling I will be losing all this. I put a lot of work, I put a lot of money into all my race car, and if people don't allow me to modify car to race no more, I mean, it's come to an end, you know, and I don't want it. So we're gonna stand up and fight to fight for us, and we fight for next generation. Young people, a lot of young people out there try to learn on car, try to work on their own car, and that's live their dream. So we not only fight for us right now, but we fight for the future. So I hope this not come to an end. Little bit talk, little bit say about what's going on right now, and for a guy like me, I can't afford to see things come to an end like that. And I hope that you guys can stand together with us and fight to keep our culture, our dream, and our freedom. Yeah, appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoy the video. I see you guys next time.